Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Dear students, today we will talk about vectors and its type. As we know that it is a quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. So let us take a vector which is called as displacement vector AB, and it is at 20 degree east to north. Dear students, you know displacement is a vector quantity. Okay, and this 3 meter is called as its magnitude, and its direction is at 20 degree east to north. So dear students, the vector is represented by a arrow because arrow is representing the direction of a vector, and 3 meter it is the magnitude of a vector, and it is represented as vector AB के ऊपर arrow, or simply we can represent by a letter like this. Length of the arrow will give you magnitude, and magnitude of AB or A, it will be mod AB. Okay, and arrowhead is always representing direction. Dear students, this is the representation of a vector. Now let us pay attention towards these all vectors. You can see that there are various vectors like A, B, C, D. These are parallel to each other. But here you can see OL, OM and ON. They have common point initial. Common initial point. So can we compare two vectors, or can we say that two vectors are equal? So we are going to talk about these topics only, that how we can compare two vectors. So first of all, let us take these OL, OM and ON vectors. Dear students, two or more vectors having the same initial point, we call those co-initial point. Co means common, initial means initial point. So OM, ON, OL, these are co-initial vector. And I told you that these all vectors A, B, C, D, F, E, X, Y, these all are parallel to a single line. So we call these all vectors parallel vectors or collinear vectors. Okay, so two or more vectors parallel to same line, these are called as collinear vectors. Now concentrate on AB and CD. Do you observe that AB and CD, they have same direction as well as their magnitude is same? That means these vectors are equal vectors. So this is the definition of equal vectors. I hope you understood. Now let us move towards next type of vectors. Dear students, these all are constituting our types of vector. Okay. Now parallel displacement of vector doesn't change its magnitude and direction. Students, if you will just move the vector like AB, you will move it parallelly and you will, let us suppose, A dash, B dash, or A double dash, B double dash. So these vectors you are just displacing parallelly. So it will not change its magnitude, it will not change its direction. So we call these free vectors. Free vectors which are free to move, which will not change its magnitude as well as its direction. So now let us compare two vectors. So dear students, AB and RS, UB, these all are, vectors, and we are just bringing these, we are just attaching these to common initial point. So we call this co-initial vectors. They have common initial point and we can compare their magnitude when we are bringing them together. So you can see now easily we can compare their magnitude. Negative of a vector. Dear students, we have compared equal vectors. Okay, so now negative of a vector means what? So dear students, if CD is a vector which has means magnitude as well as direction, so what will be its negative? That will be the vector which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, means magnitude will be equal but direction will be opposite. And we will write it like DC vector is equal to minus of CD vector. In the similar way, we can draw FE vector also, which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So this is your negative vector. So next we will talk about the addition of vectors. Equal vectors, this we have already studied, equal vectors and negative of a vector. Now dear students, can we add vectors? So this is your now question is that can we add or subtract vectors? When we were writing that difference between scalar and vector quantities, then only I told you that the vectors can be added but in different algebra called as vector algebra. So about this we will discuss tomorrow. That's all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.